1790th episode of Nagpur's most happening Facebook live show. शो का नाम राज की बात विमेन ऑफ द ईयर के साथ. रियली वांट टू थैंक पारिक ब्रदर जूलर्स प्रेजेंटिंग राज की बात विमेन ऑफ द ईयर इन एसोसिएशन with Pehnava Boutique. Also a big thank you to Mampi Reusable Diapers for Children, the Orange City Hospital, which is Nagpur ka hospital, Pooja Shelke's Live Fit, and you who like my show, share my show, and have been supporting the show for past 1790 episodes. मेरी आज की जो मेहमान है, she is an amazing interior designer and she is a BNI member, and most importantly she's one lady who has a great mind with a lot of creative stuff, and she is somewhere believed that creativity can take you to God. Please welcome my guest today, interior designer Yashmi Karira. Hi Yashmi.
Hello Raj.
Welcome to Raj Ki Baat.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let's begin with a girl from Trimurti Nagar, a Nagpur girl. Yeah. So how has been your beginnings of at Nagpur and becoming reaching to an interior designer?
So as I'm born and brought up in Nagpur, Nagpur is my hometown, and being educated here, done all my degrees, being graduated from here, did my all.
Education and
everything from here. Took my internship from here, from Nagpur. So basically, as you said, a Nagpur based girl, fully born and brought up from here, and got married here itself because of my field. I got connected and got married. So
तो ये अपने आप में एक बड़ी अनोखी कहानी है कि आपको एक क्लाइंट मिलता है, आपको क्लाइंट के घर का काम मिलता है, और उसके बाद फिर आप वो क्लाइंट का घर भी अपना ही बना लेती है.
While designing, I didn't know that this is going to be my future home. So approaching as a client and that client turning into a husband, that itself is a story.
So ये हुआ कैसे? मतलब they approached you or you approached them? How did that happen?
They were searching for an interior designer, and we had a common friend. So she got me connected to him. And when we met, then we came to know that we have family connections as well. सत्संग इन सब से connected family भी है. And हमें तो strike हुआ ही, plus family को then हमने फिर बताया that we have started liking each other. So then it turned out to be a smooth journey. So then I started designing my home. And then after 1.5 years, which was a great courtship period for us, then we finally got married.
अच्छा, जब ये जिस प्रोफेशन में आप हैं, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग, इस प्रोफेशन में जनरली एक समय था जब बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स अपने बेटियों को, बच्चियों को उसमें डाल देते थे. एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट इट वाज अ वेरी सेफ करियर. बट व्हेन यू वर अ चाइल्ड, आई मीन जो ड्रीम्स थे, जो एस्पिरेशंस थे, क्या वो इंटीरियर डिजाइनर बनने के ही थे?
When I was a child, so always it used to happen whenever I used to go anywhere. I used to be curious about the things and how it is being constructed, what is the mindset behind designing. So it got me attracted, and then after completing my 12th, I told my father that I'm interested in this field. And my father is a very supportive man, and he said, go ahead, do whatever you want to do. I said, I don't want to do it as a part-time. I want to do it fully professionally, and doing it a graduation in this field as well. So he was very supportive. He never denied for that you have to do another degree as well along doing with interior design. And when I met Anuj, my husband, he too was very supportive about that, and he said, go achieve your dreams, I'm there with you. So my father's support and husband's support, and then comes the family. Most importantly family. When family supports you, then nothing like that.
बट ये जो प्रोफेशन है, इसमें देयर इज टू मच, मतलब वक्त के साथ इंटीरियर डिजाइनिंग हैज बिकम अ वेरी चैलेंजिंग करियर, वेयर लोग तो अब मास्टर्स वगैरह करके आते हैं और फिर आउट ऑफ इंडिया से पढ़कर आकर अपने देश में काम करते हैं और एक नया लाइन ऑफ डिज़ाइन क्रिएट करते हैं. आपसे अगर कोई ये पूछे कि व्हाट इज योर थॉट्स ऑफ मेकिंग अ होम, बिकॉज यूर अ रेसिडेंशियल स्पेशलिस्ट,
Yeah.
बट आई रियली वुड लाइक टू नो व्हाट इज योर थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग अ होम.
Home becomes not with fancy things. It becomes where there comes हर लेडी का माइंडसेट होता है कि मुझे एक ऐसा घर चाहिए जिसमें मेंटेनेंस कम से कम हो. तो घर जब मेंटेनेंस कम से कम होता है तभी इट इज कॉल्ड अ कंप्लीट इंटीरियर डिजाइन. सो माय क्लाइंट्स आर मेजरली हाउसवाइफ्स जो या बिजनेस फैमिलीज जो है वो मेरे मेजर क्लाइंट्स हैं. तो उनकी वाइफ्स का मेन मोटो रहता है यशमी डिजाइन अ हाउस दैट इज मेंटेनेंस फ्री, लेस मेंटेनेंस, एंड व्हेन दे रिकमेंड मी टू सम ऑफ देयर रिलेटिव्स, दैट्स द ओनली की दे सेड कि इससे करवाइए, शी इज द ओनली वन जो लेस मेंटेनेंस देगी एंड विद अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस.
बट ये कोऑर्डिनेशन जो होता है एक कारपेंटर के साथ, एक जो इंटीरियर में काम करने वाले लोग होते हैं उनके साथ कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है यशमी के लिए?
वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज क्लाइंट्स के साथ आपको एक लेवल मेंटेन करके चलना पड़ता है. देन यू हैव टू मेंटेन दीज लेवल्स एज वेल सो दैट कि यू कैन पिच प्रॉपरली कि क्या डिजाइन करवाना है और क्या डिजाइन करवा के लेना है. Because in our field there is more men dominance, I would say. So being a lady, आपको अपना पर्सपेक्टिव रखना बहुत it is difficult, but to get work done, it is your art, I would say. How you get things done, that is up to you.
बट ये जो आपने कहा अभी कि मेल डोमिनेंस है, आपको लगता है मेल डोमिनेंस है अभी भी? मतलब
there is
there is
a hidden fact about, I would say, about the industry. And but if you prove yourself, there is nothing like that.
वक्त के साथ हमने देखा है कि स्पेशली पोस्ट कोविड पीपल हैव टेकन आउट अ लॉट ऑफ मनी व्हेन इट कम्स टू इन्वेस्टिंग एट होम. पीपल आर लुकिंग एट लग्जरी, पीपल आर लुकिंग एट कंफर्ट. So what has been your experience post COVID when it comes to making homes?
So it has to be happened like post COVID, when the COVID period was on. People were more online. So they came across many things. एंड तभी लोगों को ध्यान में आया कि जब घर पे बैठे तब ध्यान में आया कि नहीं, हमें घर में लग्जरी कैसे चाहिए, हाउ वी वांट द कंफर्ट इन आवर होम. So they came across this thing and then they realized we need to start spending, because in the metro cities, if you see, even if it's a basic home, people do get it interior. So that trend has now begun in Nagpur as well in the last 2-3 years, I would say. So then the trend started, even if it's a basic home, anybody wants a basic at least furniture to be done. They don't want a ready-made thing to be set up. They want, because आज जो आप when you're getting socialized, you're getting people at your home. So you want a status that people should look at you with the respect that these people have a good home, you have a good taste. So everyone likes to enjoy that.
अमूमन होता ये है कि जब आप एक महिला का इंटरव्यू लेते हैं तो उनके परिवार के साथ साथ उनके इर्द गिर्द ऐसे ही और लोग जुड़े होते हैं जिनके बारे में बात करना ज़रूरी है. चलिए यशमी करीरर से बात करते हैं. फ्रेंड्स इन लाइफ,
I believe that it shouldn't be number of quantity, it should be quality. Quantity, when you are in difficult times, if they are not helping you out, quantity doesn't work.
Right.
And quality does works. I have friends who are being with me since 15 years and 10 years as well. So whenever ये लोग आपके strike होते हैं mind में whenever there is situation around you. No doubt you need people around you, but you should have a group of people जो आपके difficult times में आपके साथ रहें.
हमने देखा कि इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर्स की जो लाइफ होती है उसमें वक्त को लेकर कुछ आगे पीछे होता नहीं. मतलब आप जितना कभी भी आपका क्लाइंट आपको कहता है कि यू हैव टू कम एंड हेल्प मी आउट, या फिर वर्कर होते हैं साइट पे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. हाउ डू यू मैनेज दैट?
So basically my working pattern works like in the morning I take all the follow-ups and I schedule my day. And for me commitment is the things that अगर किसी सिचुएशन में मैं हूँ या client is calling me that I need you. So first I hear it telephone conversation, what is the matter, I coordinate with my team, and if I find that no, it is very urgent for me to go on site, then I go. If not, because there are other commitments also, so I cannot hamper my other commitments of the day. So I make a request to customer that if it's possible we can meet tomorrow in the morning.
7 साल ये करियर के आपने जो आपने वक्त दिया है इस करियर को, सबसे मेमोरेबल वक्त अब तक कौन सा रहा है?
I would say building the YK Interiors brand. Because उस टाइम पे ऐसा रहता है कि you're not towards more luxurious project, you're towards the basic. जब आप basic समझ जाते हैं then you get towards the luxurious brand
राइट.
projects. Because जब तक आप basic नहीं समझेंगे, आप to overnight आप luxury project पे जाएंगे, तो it would be a good downfall in your career. So that was an interesting part. And then again, as we discussed, the project I got, which turned out to be my future home, that was most amazing part of the project, I would say.
अगर कोई ये पूछे कि यशमी करीरा से काम क्यों कराना चाहिए, तो उसके क्या रीजंस हो सकते हैं?
First, I am flexible with working. I first get to need your mindset कि आपका mindset क्या है, what are your requirements, and उससे हम एक updated घर आपको क्या दे सकते हैं.
जी.
Secondly, as I mentioned earlier, that a maintenance-free house, and you should, when you are home, you should feel like home. It shouldn't turn like a hotel.
जी.
एक होटल और रेसिडेंस, इन दोनों में बहुत डिफरेंस होता है.
बिल्कुल.
एंड दैट इज द की कोई भी घर बनाने के लिए.
मैं आपके घर को घर बनाऊंगी, बुटीक होटल नहीं.
बुटीक नहीं बनाऊंगी, बुटीक को बुटीक बनाऊंगी, बट घर को
घर बनाऊंगी. अच्छा, with time the responsibilities have also increased. I mean professionally, but also personally. What has changed?
Most the thing that has turned around my life, that is my kid. He is 18 months now. So that when I delivered the baby, at that time it was most challenging for me, because I have a life to look after, and I have a life to whom I need to change a good human in future as well. So it is a growing stage for him, and a stage that is never going to return back. So enjoying his phase also, side by side with the professional answer. I'm a wife, I'm a daughter-in-law, I'm a daughter. So, but most importantly, it changed around after the kid.
So, जब client से मिलना होता है, and then your baby at home is somewhere, behaving a little differently, and he wants you to be with him. Has there been a situation कि आप बच्चे को लेके गई अपने साथ मीटिंग पे? हुआ है?
It has happened in many of the socials as well, like professionally also. कहीं मीटिंग रही तो I have to take him along, and I asked my driver कि जब तक you make him comfortable, इसको घुमा के ला लो. Meanwhile, I'll complete my meeting. And most importantly, to handle a baby, you need a village, it is said. And I have a supportive family who is always there to take care of him. So I'm blessed, touch wood, for this.
People have really appreciated your work when it comes to the delivery, the quality, the commitment. When it comes to personal life, how has been the husband? How has he been recognizing your work?
Yeah, he's doing good. Like, he wants me to grow in life. He wants that, or you should have all name, fame, everything, all the sections to be fit. So he has been a very supportive husband. Whenever there is a situation, and he is my first critic when I design something, I do give him a review, and these are the things I am planning, and he is the first person who will tell me, no, don't go for this.
Okay.
Yeah, his review does matters.
Okay, his review does matter.
Yeah.
You've also, you are a part of BNI Nagpur for past 2.5 years now. How has been the journey? Who was that person who introduced you to BNI?
My husband.
Okay. Okay.
So when got
So he
inducted.
took you as a visitor. Is he a member?
I didn't go as a visitor. I was directly inducted.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I'm sure Riddhi and Bhavesh Telramani might be really happy.
Yeah, they were very happy that we don't have to
Direct
work on
induction.
visitors. There's a direct induction. So my husband got inducted, and when he saw the vibe in BNI, so I was like, Yashmi, it's your beginning, I would say. So you should join. There are contacts of people here whom you can socialize and get business.
They can help
from.
you.
They can help you out.
Grow.
For the
Yeah.
So I was convinced and I should go if he's telling me that he is my right guidance.
Were you convinced with the fact that you have to go early morning 7:30?
Earlier I wasn't. When I got inducted, it was an online
Okay.
meeting.
Okay. The COVID was on.
COVID was on. I got inducted in 2020, 2020, and it was an online meeting. So I was okay sitting at home
Right.
and attending the meeting.
Right.
But when I got to the meeting, to the physical meeting,
Right.
so there the complete atmosphere was really different.
Right.
फर्स्ट डे ऐसा होता है कि आप स्कूल में जाते हो
हाँ.
तो आप तो उठ के चले जाते हो.
जी.
फर्स्ट डे यू आर ऑन टाइम.
Right.
So it so happened with me. First day I was on time in the formals, and when I got there and the business I saw there कि जिस तरह से BNI completely changed my vision
जी.
how the business is done.
जी.
So बहुत अच्छा experience रहा, and there are many people who have helped me.
मैं
I
आपको
would say Riddhi is one of the person who too has helped me because she also agreed for the maternity leave in BNI, and there are many members in Blanco itself. who have
Blanco
helped.
is your chapter.
Blanco is a chapter, my chapter. Where
Right. Right. अच्छा मैं आपकी ना एक दुखती रत पे हाथ रखता हूँ. You're a giver. है ना. आपने लोगों को बहुत सारे लोगों को
Yeah.
बिजनेसेस दिए हैं.
Yes.
मतलब मैं ये जनरली पूछना चाहता हूँ बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो वन ऑफ दोज पीपल हु बिलीव इन गिविंग बिकॉज इट्स वन ऑफ दोज थिंग्स इन बिलीव इन BNI's गिवर्स गेन पॉलिसी. सो जब लोगों को आप बिजनेसेस देते हैं तो डेफिनेटली उनको बड़ी खुशी होती है. बट एवरी वीक जब आप जाते हैं अपने आप को पिच करते हैं अपने काम को पिच करते हैं और जब बिजनेस नहीं मिलता है कितना दुख होता है.
दुख तो होता ही है.
बहुत
आपने
दुख.
सही-
बोलिए.
बहुत
बहुत
दुख भरी कहानी.
जी. जी.
सो दुख तो होता है, बट क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू सोशलाइज देयर ऐसा लगता है कि ठीक है, यू आर गिविंग बिजनेस टू योर ओन पीपल, सो इट इज ओके. एंड जिनको दे रहे हो कहीं ना कहीं यू विल गेट बैक बिजनेस. अभी नहीं तो हो सकता है कुछ टाइम बाद. दैट्स द ओनली फिलॉसफी जिस माइंडसेट से मैं जाती हूँ.
मैंने सुना ब्लैंक एक बहुत बोरिंग चैप्टर है. कितना सच है ये?
No, it isn't.
ऐसा नहीं है.
No, Blanco is not a boring.
It's a very
chapter.
boring
It's
chapter.
No, it's a very interesting chapter because there is a genuine business.
अच्छा.
Yes.
Okay.
Where there is a business, it has to be interesting.
It has to be
Yeah,
interesting.
it has
नहीं
to
सही है सही है. So now you are a survivor, you're a flag bearer of Blanco.
Yeah.
है ना. Okay. अच्छा अब चूंकि लाइफ में चीजें सेट चल रही, यू हैव अ फैमिली हु इज सपोर्टिंग यू एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट, बट देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपनिंग इन द सोसाइटी आल्सो, स्पेशली फॉर गर्ल्स आउट देयर, जो जहाँ पर कई सारी लड़कियां हैं जो शादी नहीं करना चाहती पर अपने करियर पे फोकस करना चाहती हैं. व्हाट्स योर थॉट ओवर इट?
I would say that focusing on career ये कोई गलत चीज नहीं है, but there comes a time जब आपको एक लाइफ पार्टनर की जरूरत रहती है. Everyone says कि क्या जरूरत है, but ऐसा नहीं होता है. When you start seeing friends around you getting married,
Right.
children, and priorities do change. The person who is getting married has a changed priority. Earlier his priority are friends, now his priority are family.
Right.
Like kid, a husband, they do need time. So जब आप वो देखते हैं, so you start feeling lonely in your life. So getting married is really very necessary, no doubt. जैसे मैंने कहा, if you have a supporting husband, you have a supporting family, they do support you. And but you need to make them understand your vision. What are your goals? So
Time
there
पे
are
कर लो.
both things that you need to manage, your career also and your personal life as well.
With time, we've seen that the number of divorces are increasing in the Indian society. क्या रीजन लगता है आपको?
आई थिंक आज के टाइम पे पहले ऐसा होता था द गर्ल इज नॉट दैट मच एजुकेटेड या शी इज प्रेशराइज्ड विद द फैमिली, तो शी यूज्ड टू कंटिन्यू विद द मैरिज, बट नाउ द थिंग्स हैव चेंज्ड. Now the girl has her own opinion. She is independent. She
Right.
has her own thoughts. So somewhere I feel that these things are taken wrongly also. But the main reason is that mutual understanding. Things around have changed. Mutual understanding लोगों में कम होते जा रही है. Everybody is taking it like ठीक है चल रहा है ना, but it doesn't work like that. The wheel has to be run by both the person.
Yeah.
अगर एक ही व्हील घूमते जा रहा है then it is not gonna work.
सास भी कभी बहू थी, तो आप आज बहू हैं, है ना, आपका बेटा बड़ा हो जाएगा तो कल को आप भी सासू माँ बन जाएंगी. बहुत बहुत दूर की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, बहुत अभी लेकिन दिल्ली दूर है, लेकिन हाउ व्हाट्स योर रिलेशनशिप विद योर मदर इन लॉ?
It is a very good equation, and I would say that it is working because she too is a very social person. She is a yoga teacher. She is into satsang also, so she meets a lot of people, and she is not a typical saas that कि नहीं तुम्हें ऐसे ही करना है. You have your opinion, you can go ahead with it, but she does gives a revocation ऐसा नहीं ऐसा, but rest is your decision. So there haven't been any conflicts about that. कि that's why I'm saying that supporting बहुत important है family. So this is the way your family supports you.
अब आगे क्या 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 करना है?
I have goals like doing more interior projects, and in next 2 years I would say that I'll be taking projects outstations as well.
Outstation projects.
Right now I'm working in Nagpur itself because of my child. It's too small and needs me now.
Right.
So after 2 years, I'll be starting my work outside Nagpur as well.
Count on your fingers and tell me people you can't live without. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I would say my husband,
Right.
my son, my parents. Those are 4.
Yeah.
With the pan.
Yeah.
And
You can give 1 to parents. You can give 1 to parents.
Okay.
Yeah.
Parents and my brother
Hmm.
and my work.
Friends in life.
Friends as well.
If
My
you
friends
can
are gonna
name
kill me.
your besties, who are your besties?
Fala.
And why are they your besties?
Fala, because she has been with me in all the ups and downs. And she is a person who is very outspoken, as you might have seen.
Yeah, I've already interviewed
You
her.
have already interviewed her, so
Right.
how outspoken she
She's
is.
an amazing lady. I
She
really-
is, and she has a mindset, and we have an equation that even if I'm not telling any details, she understands what is going on in her mind. So she is with me since I would say 15 years.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
long journey. And there are other friends, fraternity friends. So I have been them with 7 years, I would say.
Great. Yashmi, I think you have a great mind. One, you have a great vision with not just your career, but also with family. That people like you, somewhere inspire and also help a lot of girls out there to make a career, to come out of homes, work and grow in life.
Grow in life, and if you are family oriented doesn't mean you are not professional. People have that thing, either you're professional or either you're family oriented, but you need to make a balance between both. Nowadays girls need to learn that how to make balance between both.
Acha, marriage as an institution, I am sure Anuj Kareera, your husband, have learnt a lot from you. What have you learnt from him?
How to be disciplined. When there is a work, then work comes first.
Okay. Super.
And he too lets me follow the same path. That if it's your work, go work and handle the clients.
अगर जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब लिखी गई और उस किताब के सुनहरे पन्ने पर ये नाम लिखा गया, यशमी करीरा, इंटीरियर डिजाइनर आईडी यश्मी करीरा, उसके नीचे कौन सी ऐसी लाइन, कौन सा ऐसा कोट, कौन सी ऐसी बात लिखी रहनी चाहिए जिसे पढ़ने के बाद लोग आपको हमेशा याद करें?
There is not a quote. There is a song which I always hear. आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें, दिल की नजर से
दुनिया को देखो, दुनिया
सदा ही हंसी है. That
Super.
is my most favorite, and I do believe the जो songs के every lyrics हैं, I completely believe in that.
बिल्कुल सही है, क्योंकि
Don't change from heart. बहारें आते जाती रहेगी, but be what you are.
बी वॉट यू आर. बहुत बढ़िया. आई थिंक दिस इज सुपर इंस्पायरिंग. आई वॉज थिंकिंग सिंस मॉर्निंग कि कोई गाना मेरे जहन में क्यों नहीं आ रहा, बट ये गाना मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक बहुत लंबे समय तक मेरे दिल के एफएम में चलता रहेगा, बिकॉज ये कई बार गाने हमें बहुत सारी चीजें सिखा जाते हैं, है ना. बस लोग 4 बॉटल वोडका पे अटक जाते हैं.
That are the weekend scenes, but what about the weekdays?
वीकडेज ज्यादा जरूरी है.
वीकडेज
वीकडेज अच्छे रहेंगे तो वीकेंड्स अच्छे रहेंगे,
भी अच्छे रहेंगे,
है ना. आपने अपना वक्त दिया, आपने हमसे बात करी, आपने हमें इंस्पायर किया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सो मच. इट्स एन ऑनर मीटिंग यू. थैंक यू सो मच. सुपर. इंटीरियर डिजाइनर यश्मी करीरा से मुलाकात हुई, बात हुई इन दिस exclusive episode of Raj Ki Baat. I think, I mean, what a great way to end the episode when it comes to, you know, one song जो हमने कई बार सुना होगा, लेकिन हमने कभी इतने ध्यान से उसको सुना नहीं होगा, जो आप शायद आप सुनेंगे. कि हकीकत जो है वो यही है कि बहारें आती रहेंगी, जाती रहेंगी, लेकिन अगर हम दिल की नज़र से दुनिया को देखें तो दुनिया बड़ी खूबसूरत है. हम देखेंगे क्या, ये एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल है ना. उस सवाल का जवाब अगर आपको मिल जाए तो अपनी प्रार्थनाओं में आईडी यश्मी करीरा के लिए प्रोजेक्ट जरूर मांग लीजिएगा. आपसे फिर होगी मुलाकात इन राज की बात. तब तक आप अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें, व्यस्त रहें, परिवार के साथ एक अच्छा वक्त बिताएं. और आपके परिवार में एक अगर छोटी सी बिटिया है जो अपनी दुनिया में बढ़िया मस्त है ना, जो बस एक कोशिश कर रही है कि वो जो भी करे वो ऐसा करे जिससे ना ही सिर्फ उसका नाम रोशन हो लेकिन उसके परिवार का भी. तो समझिए वो यश्मी करीरा बन रही है. अपनी बेटियों को ये एपिसोड ज़रूर दिखाएं ताकि आपकी बेटियां भी सीखें, समझें कि जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ घर की ही लेना ज़रूरी नहीं है, समाज की भी लेना ज़रूरी है, करियर की भी लेना ज़रूरी है, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली अपनी लेना ज़रूरी है. जिंदा रहे. जय हिंद.